VisionLink makes requesting service to your local dealer for your equipment simple from either VisionLink web or mobile. Easily request service and review important status updates from the service requests page or a specific asset details page. Here's how. You can place a service request in VisionLink by selecting Request Service directly from the home page, by navigating to the Review page, or from within a product's asset page. With VisionLink Web, you can also request service from the Service Requests tab. After the description field is populated and the service location is selected, you can select the first available button to ensure the request is addressed by a local CAT dealer in a timely manner. The newly submitted request is now immediately available to view in VisionLink, allowing you to seamlessly track the progression of the request. You'll see your new service request status listed as submitted, indicating the request has been sent to the dealer for review. The service request page allows you to group by asset, search for an asset, adjust the time frame, and select a specific service request to view additional status details. When you select a specific service request, you'll see a pop-up screen that provides additional information about your recently submitted service request. If you have questions, simply select the Help Center icon to bring up VisionLink guided tours and the VisionLink Help Center. Now it's time to see for yourself. Get started today by visiting vl.cat.com or downloading the VisionLink mobile app for more information.